Hello everyone, welcome to Commodities Podcast. This is 𝗀𝗫𝗀𝗃 from Sharekhan BNP Paribas. Today we have an update on gold. COMEX gold price had given an upward trendline breakout along with key support at $2,145 level on downside, tested the first key resistance base at $2,195 level, accompanied by witnessing clear positive signal through MACD, waiting to motivate the price to resume upward till $2,200 and $2,225 level in upcoming trading session efficiently. MCX gold price was moving in sideways consolidation range along with trendline breakout, resumed its positive trading to breach 66,350 barrier, which support the continuation of the bullish trend for an upward target of 66,500 and 66,900 level in near term. On the downside, key support hold at 65,170 level and break below will reactivate the bearish trend scenario. The price indicator is bullish. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.